Good morning, all of you, respected principals, sir, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. Today we are the students of class 9th here to show the benefits of technology in fighting with corruption. Nowadays we saw that we are in developing mode, but if we think deeply, we are remain same in many things as ancient times.
Definitely you are right. So guys, it's our duty to utilize the things in proper ways so that we can take benefits from those things. We are talking about the role of technology in combating corruption. Now Bhumika will tell you the benefits of technology in fighting corruption.
Technology help increase transparency and accountability, which one of the key way to curb corruption. In ancient time, it was difficult to access and uncover the activities done by corrupt officials. Now Kunal will explain the role of technology with the help of examples.
Take an example of e-governance solution. By moving government services, we can create a digital path that the public be easily to access or audit. By this way, technology will help you with transparency and honesty towards any transaction.
Right, officials can record the transaction online. Application and websites help the people to report corruption without any fear of getting trouble. Now Hitesh will explain you about computer preference.
The advancement of computer can support the pattern of barbarian and other crimes that might be missed by humans. Meanwhile, the digital payment system is another technique to leave a clear path of money.
Absolutely, we cannot deny that technology is like a boat in this modern world. If we talk about government projects, then cameras and sensors are yet another way to monitor government projects to ensure that everything is done properly. Now Varun will tell you another example of benefits of technology.
We can take the example of land registries. With the advancement technology, it has become a fair work as compared to ancient time. Online registries of land, it reduces corruption and management of land assets.
Finally guys, if we see the corruption, then corruption can have many negative effects of a country, social, political and economic development. It can also violate the human rights. But with the help of technology, the issues can be overcome. Public can use online platforms like RTI, Right to Information or My Government app to question the government. At last, I would like to call my classmate Payal for the conclusion.
So guys, my classmates have told you the role of technology in fighting corruption. But do you think today's generation utilizing technology as you should be? No. Nowadays, everybody is busy in online games, chatting on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Being a student, we must know the positive and negative aspects of everything. So I hope you people will also use the technology for the betterment of our society. Thank you. Have a nice day.